this is an avenue to open or reopen yung construction business. Na timely, dahil nung bilinana namin to, wala pa yung nababalita po natin. Pero timely kasi para naman mabuhay din po mga construction business. Alam natin, hindi po natin pwedeng pigilan ang construction or yung paggagawa. Kasi pag pinigilan natin yan, of course, the economy will be affected. At marami pong mga laborers, kagaya nung kanina may nagtanong paano ba natin bubuhayin yung local employment. Kapag wala pong mga construction firm, paano na yung laborers? So, with this project, the first ever Laguna Builders and Construction Expo, we hope to boost the economy, of course, by helping those in construction business, na especially meron private, may government, that we always have to look things optimistically. Hindi po tayo dapat negative tumingin. Tingnan po natin in a very nice perspective. And as PCCI, kami po ang founder. Natutuwa po ako dahil ito po hindi magbubunga kundi dahil kay President Pilipinas. At dati natatanaw ko lang po ito na bakit wala bang Chamber of Commerce sa capital na bayan ng Laguna? Kabisera po ang Santa Cruz. Timely lang na dapat meron pong Chamber of Commerce. And indeed, ganap ang PCCI Santa Cruz. And we are very proud na hindi po kami nagkamali dahil isa po kami sa awardee po ng PCCI National. Na-inspire kami syempre sa tulong ng aming mga leaders. Ang Santa Cruz PCCI po is awarded na isa po sa most outstanding young chamber in the Philippines. At natutuwa rin kami dahil supported naman kami ng ating local chief executive when it comes to our project. Kaya po nagaganap ang mga ganito pong proyekto.